Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Karina from Paradigm Thrifts, and I thought I would take you guys on kind of like a little day in the life of a reseller. Yesterday I went into town, into Portland, and I went to Ikea to get a new chair and something else just to decorate my desk and organize it a little bit better. So I'm going to be doing a little like clean with me and organize my little tiny office corner in our bedroom. And I thought that would be fun. And I'm also doing like shipping, and I got some inventory in so I can show you guys that as well. Just a little bit of a different style of video. I really like these vlog kind of videos, so I want to do them more rather than like the sit down ones. But yeah, I got ready for the day. I am just sitting outside enjoying a smoothie that I made, and I'm hanging out with my dog. Come here, baby. This is Coda. Coda, come here. Can you say hi? She's busy playing, but yeah, we are just going to do a little bit of chores and a little bit of work today, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Let me know down below how you're spending your day, and let's get started. Alright, so I'm back inside now, and I'm going to show you a little bit of an overview of what we're dealing with today. It's a mess, that's why we're cleaning it, alright? So here's my desk. This little white thing used to be under there, but I moved it over and put this thing on top of it. And I know it looks kind of funny, but I like having the floor space. This is a bunch of inventory that I need to put away. We did a little shopping yesterday, and we went to Ikea. I got a new chair, and I got a pegboard that I'm planning to put up on this side of the wall. I'm gonna take that down. I just put it up there to see what it looked like, and I didn't like it. But yeah, here's a overview of my messy room. So I definitely need to clean it up because this is our bedroom. But first things first, I'm going to put away all of the inventory, and then I'm gonna grab the things that I need to ship out today. So I'm gonna show you guys where I store my inventory. I don't remember if I've done an updated video on this because I did move my inventory into the garage. So let's go and look at that. So we're inside the garage now, and I have these two rolling racks. I'm sorry if I've done this before. I know that I recorded this, but I don't know if I actually like put it in a video before. So if this is being repeated, I apologize. I have a whole nother video showing you how I store my inventory. I'll link that up here. But I moved it from the closet inside of our house to the garage. I got these rolling racks from Home Depot. And then these are 56 quart clear plastic bins. There's 25 items in each bin, and I have found that this is the most efficient, space efficient way to store inventory, because this is like 450 items just right here. And yeah, so I started putting my inventory away already. I just find the number or the letter and then put the number inside. And then I'm also taking out the items that I sold that I have to ship. So that's it. So I just dropped off my packages at the post office. I am now sitting in the Starbucks drive-thru, and I'm sorry if you can hear my AC, but it is so hot and I can't turn it off. Anyway, I just wanted to chat while I'm waiting in line. If you guys follow El Ducho Thrifts, aka Denali, on YouTube, she does these Starbucks like drive-through videos and then just chats with us while she's drinking her coffee and eating her breakfast, and I absolutely love those videos. So this is kind of like a little spin-off of that, or a little take of that. Anyway, I just wanted to chat about this kind of video. I know it's kind of all over the place. I don't know how many times I have tried to film this and just like got super frustrated with the footage because I either wasn't recording enough, or I just thought that my day was like super boring, and I was like, people don't want to see this, so I just like deleted the footage and never uploaded it. So yeah, I mean, eventually I would love to have like majority of my videos be this vlog style, but I get kind of insecure because like my house isn't nice. I don't have like a nice office space. Like I don't really have anything to show off. And so it's like, okay, in my head, I'm like wondering if people would even be interested in seeing what I do. It's pretty repetitive. I don't do much, but I feel like maybe there are a lot of resellers who are in the same boat as me, so it might be interesting for them. I'm not sure. I also don't know how I feel about this freaking headband because it like makes my hair go out like that, and I don't know. So much to talk about right now, right? But yeah, we are just chilling. I'm just thinking about how I'm gonna go, what I'm gonna do about the stuff in my room. You guys saw how much of a mess it was, and I actually made it even more messy after I did all my shipping, so we're gonna have to deal with that. But I'm really excited to finally have like a more organized workspace. And I need to get into like a better system of just cleaning up right away instead of letting things sit and have a messy room, because I do share it with my fiance and my daughter. So it's not fair to them if I constantly have all my reselling stuff everywhere. And yeah, sorry if I'm talking weird. I talk about it in another video, but I haven't posted that yet. I don't know which one of the videos is gonna go up first, but I started my aligners with Smile Direct Club, and I'm still getting used to talking with them. I had braces before in high school, but it's been a while. My teeth had a mind of their own, so we're fixing that, but it's definitely painful. And I'm still trying to get used to it. But yeah, I don't really know. There's really nothing exciting. I got a box in from Boutique by the Box. I think that's what they're called. I've never purchased from them before. This is my first time. So I'm excited to see what's in there. And I was thinking of including an unboxing in this video. I'm just not sure how crazy, like, how much is gonna be in this video. We'll figure it out. But I'm just waiting here in line. It was a pretty long line to get my coffee. But I'll see you guys again when I get home, and we'll get started on tackling my office. Okay, we are back at home. I have my Starbucks. I just had some lunch and I ate a sandwich and my teeth hurt so much. But anyway, I think the first plan of action for this little space makeover is going to be to clear the floor. I got a whole bunch of junk on the floor here, and then I think I'm gonna build my chair because I'm so excited about it, and I think that's the first thing that I want to do. So let's clear off the floor. Like, these are my shoes, another pair of my shoes, inventory bags, just reusable bags. Like I said, we went shopping yesterday. Inventory. So I'm just gonna start putting things away. That looks so much better, and now I have space to build my chair. Granted, I put most of the stuff just up on the bed here, but that's fine. This is the stool that I have been sitting on. Funny story about this chair. I got this at Goodwill, like when we just moved up here, and it was $40 for this stool. It's from the Target Opal House collection, but I really like velvet green on furniture, so I was like, I have to have it. I'll use it at my desk, and it's the most uncomfortable thing ever. Since I started like editing my videos on my desk and everything and spending more time in here, I definitely need something more supportive. I found this at Ikea for $50, so let's build it. Charlie said he got the same chair, so he said it's not super hard to build, so let's do that now. I just opened the box and I wanted to show you guys the chair. It's the Renberget. It's honestly nothing exciting, but this is the cheapest option that I found for a chair, and it was actually pretty comfortable. I was gonna buy one on Amazon, but I didn't want to buy something and not know how it felt, so I just went to Ikea, and I'm gonna put this together now. Ta-da! It's all done. This is so much more comfortable than that little tiny stool that I had. It's nothing special. It's not any like thing cute. I was like debating getting a cute chair, but they're freaking expensive. So for $50, I figure this will do until I get like a real office space. But it's perfect because I like to sit like this. I really missed having arm rests, and I think this will be a lot better for my back. So very happy. Again, this was $50 at Ikea, and I'll see if I can link it down in the description for you guys, but I love it. Very happy with this purchase. The next project I'm going to be working on for this space is this pegboard. I think you pronounce that scatus, and this is just the square version. They do have a longer version and also a skinnier one, but I just measured it. I just held it up where I want it, and it fits perfectly. It also comes with all of these little accessories, and you can pick and choose what you want to go on here. I'm honestly not even sure if I got enough accessories, but we're gonna play around with it and see what it looks like. Cool, so we got it hung up there. I definitely needed help because I don't know how to use power drills and I'm too short, but it looks really cute, I think. Let me back up a little bit so you can see kind of like the overview. And I take all my photos right here, but I think there's still enough space there, so it'll be fine. And now I'm going to attach the little thing so that I can clear up some of this desk space and have more space for me to like write and do stuff on here. So let's do that. And this is how it turned out. I'm so happy with it. I was able to fit all of my pens. There's even room for more. I have my journal and my bullet journal. This is a book that I'm currently reading. I got to put some of my crystals on display there. I might add some more, but not sure yet. And I just have all my tape and stickers hanging. I want to use this tape a little bit more, so I'm glad that I can have it out on display. This is a water activated paper tape that I got with my logo on it from Sticker Mule. If you guys are interested in that, I will leave a code down below for a little discount for you guys. And yeah, very happy, and it has cleared up a little bit of space. I just have to tidy this up, and then I think I'm just gonna show you guys after what it looks like once everything is clean. And this is the final result of my desk space. This, I'm just gonna leave it as is because I eventually want to buy like a new shelf thing. We don't know how long we're gonna be in this space for, so we don't want to buy a whole bunch of furniture for this space. But yeah, I'm really happy with how this looks. I think I'm just in love with that. I think it's so cute. And I cleaned off the desk area a little bit. And yeah, let me know if you guys, what you guys think. I hung a little picture up there. I have all my plants up here. That's Ryan singing. But yeah, very, very, very happy with this. I feel like I can even film like regular talking videos from here now. I know it's not like the cutest background, but I usually film in that corner right there, and I have to like move all of that stuff every time I film. So I think as long as I cover that and maybe like take all those things down, this should be fine. Super happy with my new desk. This chair is amazing. I might buy like a little lumbar support pillow. I wanted to do an unboxing of the Boutique by the Box inventory that I think I told you guys about it earlier. But it just arrived today. It's just a little box. I got the athleisure box. I think it's called the athleisure box. I don't remember exactly how much I paid, but I'll put that in the description box or up on the screen when I'm editing this. But I've been trying to find other ways to source online because I feel like every time a liquidation company gets popular, something comes up about it that makes it controversial. So we're trying this one out. This is Boutique by the Box. I've seen other resellers buy from them and be happy with what they purchased, so let's check it out. It is packed like that. This is the little card that they sent. It says, "Welcome to our community. Tag us to be featured on social." And I'll leave their Instagram and their website down below if you guys want to check it out. But I don't remember exactly how many pieces it said, but I'm happy already with what I see right here. So you can see that little, oops, coral. Okay, so the first item is a pair of coral leggings, or yeah, like joggers kind of. And these are brand new tags. And it doesn't have the tag on the inside, like the brand or a size tag. So I'll have to figure that out. But I also bought a coral irregular box from Jomar. It should be arriving sometime soon. So if you guys want to see me do an unboxing on that, let me know. Here is another pair of coral leggings, also brand new with tags. This has the tags inside. This is a size, it doesn't say the size. Maybe I'm just not looking. I'm not sure. I'll have to figure it out, but they're like a liquid black little workout legging. Very cute. This is a pair of coral biker shorts. These are cute. They have like a really cute like snake texture on them. I think these are like an extra small. Another coral piece. This is a little sports bra. Very cute, new tags. So it's not all just coral. There's also some spiritual gangster. This is really cute. It's just a little tank top with like the lettuce trim hem. This is really cute. I'm very happy with this box. I think I might buy another one. Another spiritual gangster little tank top. This is a spiritual gangster. Everything has been, I think almost everything has been new with tags. These are leggings and they have like a little cutout detail on the leg. This box shipped super quick and it was packaged really nice, so that's not, it's great. This brand I've never heard of. It is NUX. I'm guessing that's Nux maybe. They are a pair of black leggings. I'll have to look up comps on these. And another one from that brand, Nux or Nux. I don't know what that is. That might be their logo. Let me know. And let me know if you guys have sold this brand before. And they're like an ombre printed legging. This is the last piece. It is a little tank top, and again it is brand new with tags from Spiritual Gangster. So let me see how many pieces that was. So that was 10 pieces and everything was new with tags. I don't remember if it was advertised as new with tags, but I'm very happy with this box. I'm excited to get it all listed, and yeah. I think that's all the reselling related things I'm gonna do today. I'm just gonna cross list some stuff and photograph these and list them, but other than that, that's it. I'm so pumped to get this video out. This is something that I've been wanting to do, but I don't know, I just get really in my head when I film vlog style videos, so I hope you guys like it. I will welcome any feedback that you guys have. I know the quality is a little bit different than my normal videos, it's because I'm using my iPhone, but yeah, well, I will see you guys next time, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed, and yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!